Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now you have to simply scroll down. And here you will see option that says hide story and live. Tap on it. Tap on hide story and live from. This will bring up a list of all your followers. Here you can select the people you wanted to hide your story from. After you have selected the people, simply tap on done. And now they won't be able to see anything you post on your stories unless you change these settings in the future. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.